Hello, in this video I want to show you how to extract RAR and zip archives on Google Pixel tab. And to do this we'll need to open a RAR app I shown you previously on how to download, locate the files that you want to extract inside and then click on them. Here we can select the arrow pointing up button. You will enter extraction options. You can customize them however you like, but it's not necessary. Select browse to change the designation where the files should go. In this case, let's select downloads folder. Click on OK and then proceed to click on OK again when all of the settings are set and your files will be extracted. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.